It started with rain, heavy, unrelenting, and unstoppable. Within hours, entire villages in Sumatra were swallowed by mud and water. Homes buried, families scattered, and lives changed forever. More than 60 people have lost their lives, with dozens still missing, and tens of thousands forced to flee. These aren't distant headlines, this is the raw struggle captured in every frame. People running from collapsing hillsides, cures braving raging waters, and soldiers digging through mud to find survival. As rains continue, the fight is far from over. Local communities, civil groups, and response teams are working day and night. They can't do it alone. Nature shows its power, humanity must show its heart. What are your thoughts on this? Share your comments below, and for more such updates, follow on Bitwise.